Hello everyone, and welcome to today's in-depth analysis. We're diving into the world of uncompromising high-end acoustic engineering, focusing on a true design masterclass, the Feinaudio SP series. This is no ordinary loudspeaker, it is the very anatomy of pure, unadulterated sound. We see how each component serves a single purpose. Please sit back and relax. We are about to embark on a truly fascinating and technically in-depth journey together. Dr. Paul Mills, who serves as the technical director at Feinaudio, once put it quite aptly. He stated, "It is all about transforming every single listening experience into a profound emotional journey." And that core philosophy is exactly the foundation for everything we're going to be looking at today. Before we start to dive deep into the complex world of fluid mechanics and the laws of physics, we really should make sure to keep this important point in mind. All of this incredible technical perfection is by no means an end in and of itself. It is quite simply the essential key to unlocking those deep, genuine musical emotions. All right, let's go ahead and dive right into the details. I want you to take a close look at this, which is the very heart of the entire SP series. Do you happen to notice this truly incredible, almost minimalist studio aesthetic? Absolutely no visual clutter, nothing at all to distract. What we see here in this macro shot is the pure acoustic center. Every single curve, those fine corrugations there in the shadows, all of it is the result of endless, extremely precise calculations. This is pure mechanics that remains visually understated to acoustically fill the entire room. The technical term for this marvel, by the way, is isoflare.
But what does that actually mean for us in a practical, everyday sense? Well, isoflare is fundamentally based on the point source principle. Think of it this way. The lows, mids, and highs don't come from different places but radiate from exactly the same spatial point. This creates what is technically known as true isotropic radiation. The sound therefore spreads out in a completely even spherical pattern in every single direction.
For you, this means an absolutely flawless immersive soundstage, and it doesn't matter at all where you're sitting at home. Now this is where it gets interesting. Take a look at what's missing from this picture. Do you see this elegant continuous diaphragm featuring that specially shaped waveguide positioned in the center? Now, what you will not find on the front, no matter how closely you look, is a classic, separate tweeter. It simply does not exist here. Instead, the tweeter is actually integrated right into the core of the woofer. It is precisely this seamless integration, a single diaphragm with a recessed central waveguide, that is an absolute masterpiece of engineering and the unmistakable hallmark of this coaxial design. Let's break it down into its individual components. Looking beneath the surface, we can see the anatomical structure of this isoflare driver. This clearly shows how these elements work together to blend high and mid-low frequencies so harmoniously. The engine behind it all is this incredibly powerful neodymium magnet at the center. It delivers pure, concentrated energy for incredibly precise and dynamic reproduction across the entire frequency spectrum. This cross-section illustrates this perfectly. Just look at this truly incredible density of complex interlocking components, and yet they all come together to form this single, extremely compact core of this point source. Why would anyone go to such truly enormous lengths? It's quite simple. This not only eliminates visual clutter on the front of the speaker, but above all, acoustic interference. If sound waves from various different drivers reach your ear at slightly different times, you would suffer from significant sound quality degradation. Instead, we provide pure, time-aligned focusing right here. To take this precision to the next level, something else comes into play, the so-called fine flute technology. In acoustics, we often face the following problem. Sound energy travels from the center of the diaphragm to the edge, where it can reflect uncontrollably, and these reflections simply distort the sound. Feinaudio's solution is this specially shaped corrugated surround. It effectively dampens the wave energy at the outer edge in a purely mechanical fashion, and it almost entirely eliminates any unwanted reflections. The final result is an absolutely crystal clear mid-range performance that is completely free from any unwanted sound coloration. You can observe this phenomenon perfectly in actual practice. Just take a very close look at the outer edge of the driver. These asymmetrical grooves surrounding the diaphragm, that is fine flute in actual operation. This has absolutely nothing to do with mere design gimmicks or superficial flair. This is hard-nosed, applied physics. Thanks to the extremely precise and meticulous edge control, the diaphragm can operate completely undisturbed and absolutely free from any interference. This results in a truly breathtaking and crystal clear sound quality when reproducing human voices as well as complex instruments. If we take a closer look at what is hidden inside this enclosure, it immediately becomes perfectly clear to us that this is actually far more than just a simple, standard wooden box. The SP series deliberately and intentionally breaks away from the traditional, classic, and rather boxy design. Are you able to see this specific curved shape made of high-quality birch plywood? It is absolutely essential for effectively dampening all of the internal standing waves. If we had parallel walls, they would reflect sound back and forth inside the cabinet, resulting in a muddled and rather booming sound quality. These special curves completely prevent this, ensuring an absolutely quiet and pleasant acoustic working environment. This brings us directly to our absolute low-end foundation. A truly groundbreaking innovation awaits us here, which we call bass tracks. With conventional speakers, the bass often shoots out of the reflex port in a very directional way, which makes precise placement in the room significantly more difficult. But our bass tracks take a completely different, innovative approach. The entire low-frequency energy is directed downwards. There, it is deflected in such a way that a perfectly uniform 360-degree wavefront is created. This means your bass integrates absolutely seamlessly into your room. The real star of this technology is this component here. Take a look at this solid metal cone, the so-called TrackTrax Profile Diffuser. In terms of fluid dynamics, it is an absolute masterpiece. When the concentrated low-frequency energy hits the tip of the cone from above, it is distributed extremely gently, fluidly, and perfectly evenly in all directions. No more uncontrolled booming that only sounds good in one specific spot on the couch. You get an extremely deep, textured bass that fills the entire room, even when the speaker is placed close to the wall. This elegant diffuser is supported by an extremely solid foundation. Fine Audio calls this the dual-layer metal sandwich plinth architecture, taken directly from their flagship F1 series.
Let's not kid ourselves. To deliver such massive bass energy into the room without the cabinet vibrating uncontrollably, you need an absolutely rock-solid foundation. This heavy aluminum base paired with the massive metal spikes guarantees you exactly that maximum mechanical stability, okay? So those were the muscles and the skeleton, so to speak.
Now, let us shift our perspective slightly and take a deeper look at the complex inner nervous system that powers the entire SP series. Because let us be perfectly honest here, even the world's finest drivers are rendered absolutely useless if the electrical signal they receive is not of the absolute highest purity. So let us take a much closer look at these meticulously handcrafted electronics. Here we see the Crossover, which is proudly and quite precisely manufactured right here in Great Britain. Dr. Mills and his entire team make absolutely no compromises in their entire production process. These circuits were designed from the ground up specifically for the SP models. Inside you will find premium components that you would otherwise only encounter in the absolute highest end segment of the market. You must use only these specific Clarity Cap capacitors, or perhaps the ultra-pure Neotech silver wiring set. Every single component is meticulously hand-selected right here to ensure that your audio signal reaches the drivers as purely and as accurately as possible. And in order to really squeeze out every last ounce of performance from these high-end components, Fine Audio employs an extremely fascinating and unique process known as deep cryogenic treatment. In our in-house laboratory in Glasgow, we cool the components under extremely controlled conditions to an icy -170 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, something magical happens at the molecular level. The metals undergo a complete realignment of their internal structure, while all microscopic stresses within the material are permanently and thoroughly relieved. They are then brought back down to room temperature at a very slow, steady pace to ensure we avoid any sudden thermal shock. Please take a moment now to really let that image sink in. Amidst these dense clouds of cold, we see the complete crossovers undergoing their cryo treatment. It might appear to be something straight out of science fiction, but I can assure you it has measurable and, more importantly, clearly audible physical effects. It sounds pretty crazy, doesn't it? This process of extreme cold permanently improves the electrical conductivity of the materials. The level of signal distortion is drastically reduced. The entire signal path is literally purified by the power of this pure ice. So let's put all these parts together. When you see this insane level of technical density and cross-section and then compare it directly to the fully assembled casing, it really is a striking contrast. Inside, the highest level of complexity awaits you. The precise driver geometry, the cryogenically treated electronics, the sophisticated bass track architecture, and on the outside, the speaker impresses with pure, elegant minimalism, perfectly finished in a flawless piano gloss black. For the spec lovers among us, let's take a quick analytical look at the numbers. What stands out immediately about the SP series is its excellent efficiency. The F500 SP model delivers a strong 90 decibel sensitivity, and the F700 SP model even reaches an impressive 92 decibels with a continuous power handling of 100 watts RMS. All of this is achieved with a very amplifier-friendly nominal impedance rating of exactly 8 ohms. To put it simply, these speakers are remarkably efficient and they translate every single audio signal with absolute effortless precision. Now let us take a brief moment to truly let this acoustic masterpiece sink in and appreciate it. Here you see the F700 SP model in a brilliant high-gloss piano gloss white. It's almost poetic, don't you think? All that massive, uncompromising technology we've just discussed in such detail disappears completely, hidden away within this contemporary, beautifully curved cabinet. All that remains visible to you as a listener is this single, striking IsoFlare driver in the center. Or consider this model right here, the truly majestic F702 SP, presented in an incredibly elegant and rich natural walnut veneer. This classic, luxurious finish marks the very quiet and final conclusion of our long journey through the intricate anatomy of this loudspeaker. We have carefully examined the skeleton, studied the complex nervous system, and now, finally, here it stands before us, the complete finished product. Completely isolated and entirely self-contained, it is simply waiting for its long-awaited acoustic debut, which at the very conclusion of this comprehensive and in-depth analysis brings us to a truly essential and fundamental question. Ultimately, we must realize that a loudspeaker is always nothing more than a mere technical messenger. But when the worlds of engineering, advanced material science, and absolute acoustic precision all converge at such an uncompromising, masterful level, do you find that you can still perceive the speaker as a mere physical object sitting there in the room? Or do you finally find yourself hearing nothing but the sound of pure, completely unadulterated music? That is precisely the core philosophy that drives the design of the Fine Audio SP series. It has been an absolute pleasure having you join us for this truly fascinating and in-depth technical overview. We look forward to seeing you again next time.